In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts' birthdays with Samsung Calendar. First, let's begin by opening the Samsung Calendar app on your device. You can find this app easily on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you tap on the icon, you will be greeted with a clean interface displaying your calendar. This is where all your events and reminders will be organized. Opening the calendar is crucial because it sets the stage for the subsequent steps. By familiarizing yourself with this interface, you will be more comfortable as we navigate through syncing your contacts' birthdays. Next, look for the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. Tap the O icon located in the top corner of the screen. This action reveals a side menu that provides access to various features and settings within the Samsung Calendar. This step is pivotal because it opens the door to customization options that enhance your calendar experience. You will now have access to all the settings necessary for syncing your contacts' birthdays, so let's keep going. After accessing the menu, you will see several options listed. Click on the Settings option, which is typically located towards the bottom of the menu. Once you tap on Settings, you will be directed to a new screen where you can modify various aspects of your calendar. This is an important step because it allows you to adjust settings tailored to your needs. It ensures that your calendar is personalized and that you can manage your events effectively. Now, let's tap on Manage Calendars from the Settings menu. This option lets you control which calendars are visible and active on your Samsung Calendar. When you click on Manage Calendars, you will see a list of all available calendars linked to your account. This step matters because it gives you complete control over what you want to display. By managing your calendars, you can focus on the most important events, including your contacts' birthdays. Under the My Phone section, you will find the option to turn on contacts' birthdays. Simply toggle the switch to enable this feature. Once enabled, it will automatically display your contacts' birthdays within the calendar view. This step is crucial because it ensures that you do not miss any important celebrations. Seeing these birthdays on your calendar helps you plan better and reminds you to reach out to your friends and family. If you also use a Google account, it's time to expand your Google account settings. Look for your Google account listed under the Manage Calendar section. When you tap on it, you'll find additional settings specific to that account. Here you can turn on the birthdays option. This step enhances your calendar's functionality by integrating birthdays from your Google contacts as well. It ensures that you have a comprehensive view of all important dates, making it easier to keep track of birthdays from multiple sources. Once you have completed these steps, you will see your contacts' birthdays appear on your Samsung Calendar. This is a fantastic way to keep track of important dates without any additional effort. By enabling these settings, you have ensured that your calendar is fully equipped to remind you of upcoming birthdays. This little step saves you a lot of time later and helps maintain your social connections. Now you are all set to enjoy a well-organized calendar that includes all the birthdays of your contacts. Remember, keeping track of these special days is a great way to strengthen your relationships. Thank you for following along, and happy celebrating!